In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CSS in Obsidian. If you want to fine-tune how your notes look beyond what a theme offers, CSS snippets are the safest, built-in way to do it. We'll walk through finding the right spot in Obsidian, adding your custom styles, and turning them on and off so you can preview changes instantly. Start by opening Obsidian. With your vault open, look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, select Appearance. This is where Obsidian manages themes, fonts, and importantly for us, CSS snippets. Scroll down until you see the section labeled CSS snippets. This section is special because Obsidian only loads styles that you place in a dedicated snippets folder. Click the folder button here. Obsidian will open your Vault snippets directory in your file manager. If it didn't exist before, Obsidian creates it for you. Keep this folder open, it's where your custom styles will live and it keeps everything organized. Next, create a new text file in this folder and give it a descriptive name that ends with .css, for example, headings CSS or checklists CSS. Open that file in your preferred editor and paste your CSS code into it. Make sure it's plain CSS, no HTML or JavaScript, and save the file. Short, focused snippets are easier to maintain. If you're experimenting, add comments at the top to remind yourself what the snippet does, and keep related tweaks grouped together. Go back to Obsidian and click Reload in the CSS snippets section. This refreshes the list so Obsidian can find the new file you just saved. After reloading, you should see your snippet listed by the file name. Now, toggle your snippet on. The change should apply immediately to the interface or notes the CSS targets. If you don't see a difference, confirm that the selectors match Obsidian's structure and consider increasing specificity or using more targeted selectors. You can toggle the snippet off to compare before and after as you refine. This is also a great way to keep multiple styles handy and switch them on only when you need them. If you're using a theme, remember that themes may override some rules. Adding more specific selectors usually resolves that. If something looks off, simply toggle the snippet off, adjust the file in the folder, save, and click Reload again. That's it. Open Settings, go to Appearance, find CSS snippets, use the folder to add a .css file, reload, and toggle it on. With this workflow, you can tailor Obsidian's look in a controlled, reversible way.